I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already saved a copy. Now start changing the theme. First, open the Page Layout tab and click Themes to reveal preset options. Once visible, scan the current theme's name and hover presets to preview applied colors across headers, grid lines, and charts. Make sure to note any branded colors you must keep. You're taking the precaution of a backup because theme changes affect the whole workbook. With that safety net, move to Customize the colors next. You'll now create a custom palette. Click Colors and choose Customize Colors. The dialog lists text/background, accent 1/6, and hyperlink entries. Change any slot by selecting the color swatch and inputting a hex or RGB value for exact matches. This keeps charts and cell formats consistent. Once done, give the custom theme a clear name so you can reuse it. Because themes cascade, check a sample sheet to verify contrast and readability before saving the theme. Apply the named custom theme and let Excel refresh all elements. You should immediately see updated cell fills, chart palettes, and table styles. Next, inspect headers, tables, and pivot charts for contrast problems. Adjust accent colors if values or labels become hard to read. Once satisfied, save the workbook. If something goes wrong, revert to your saved copy or reset the theme to Office defaults. That troubleshooting step restores original.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.